Hello everybody, welcome to Travel Life Tips channel, and today we will speak about what to do if you travel in some very hot country and in the cars or in the buses there are no conditionals and this is a very hot. So let me share you my experience. You can buy before the USB device, USB fan, look like this, and you can use how to plug energy. You can use your, this is a power bank, just small device to charge your phone, but you can use it to charge to make a fan for you, like this. See? And this is nothing. No need to pay for very expensive devices, no need to any conditional, and this is good tip for you. And if you go long way distance and the power is out of power, so you can have the small solar battery with the USB. Most of solar batteries has 12 volts, but for this you just need 5, and you can just put it and have the same. Just need the sun and have a wind. Okay, let's share you your experience and we will make our work more cheaper, and if we pay cheaper we can travel more. So wish you good travels and spend your money. Bye bye.